Hello traders, welcome back to Option Bull official YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about our today's trade, and we are also going to talk about where we have did the mistake, and we will also talk about how we can actually avoid this type of mistake in the actual stock market. So with this, let's start today's video. So guys, in today's video we have took around 2 trades, and if you see the bank nifty today's chart, okay, so we can clearly see bank nifty was negative, overall negative today, and in the first half session, if you see here, in the first half it was trading within the range, this channel. After the channel gave a breakout, it actually trapped some buyers here, and after that it again fall down and again take a retracement and fall again. So it's a clear cut indication that market was negative today, and this is how we should have approached the market, but that was not the case when we took the trade today. So if you see my today's trade, let me show you. So I actually what did here, if you see here in the orders, I took these trades only, okay, these were my trades. So in the first half, if you see here, this was my first half trade, then I took another trade around 242, I took another trade around 242, and in both of these trades I actually made the loss. So I actually made a simple mistake for my trading today, and I simply accept my mistake. So I will discuss what exact mistake was here, and I will also explain how you can also avoid this mistake in the live market. So if you see here, I try to short P, and next time again I try to P at the same strike price. But there was one mistake which little mistake which I did here. Instead of sorting 50 quantity on the second trade, I sorted by mistake 75 quantity, and as soon as I sorted this strike price for PE, the strike sharply jumped upward, and I didn't got the chance to book my place my SL for this trade, and I saw this my risk capacity is already exceeded, which was around 1000 rupees for today. I took only 1000 rupees of loss target because I don't want to lose money for the monthly expiry. As today was a monthly expiry, it is very wise, it is advised to take strict stop loss trades, as on the monthly expiries the market can be very volatile. So if you see daily, my risk appetite is around 2000 to 2500, but today I only plan to give only 1000 rupee of loss to the market, which is very good for me, as I planned very good, as I knew market can reverse anytime against my trade, and I plan to take minimal amount of loss today. So if you see here in the positions, I booked around 1318 rupees of loss today, and plus taxes I have which I have calculated is around 107. So if we sum them together, it is around 1425 rupee of loss today. But now let's move toward the trade logic where I did the mistake. So if you see, both of them were actually the PE shorting, which means I want the market to go upward. So it's a clear cut indication. I took the trade against the trend. So this is what I want to tell you guys. I did a mistake here. If you see, mistake number 1, against the trend. So I took the trade, both of the trade were against the trend, and as you can see, both the trade actually made me loss today. Both of them hit my SL targets, and I immediately exited from the position and book my losses. So this the only mistake which I did here is I traded against the trend, and I actually have updated same thing here on my Telegram, that I accept my mistake. I tried to trade against the trend, so I had to pay the cost. So I also advise them with a lesson: try to trade with the trend and not against the trend. So if you are new in the stock market, guys, it's more hard to book your losses. If you are new in the stock market, it is very hard to book your losses in the market, as no one in the stock market want to lose money. Every new traders, they think that they are here to make money, and they don't accept their mistake, and they risk higher price, risk more amount in the market, and ultimately they lose bigger losses. And their small losses, which suppose the market comes down to 1500 loss for me, right? And if I didn't have booked my loss around at this level, hoping that the market will reverse and my losses will be again converted into profits, I'll be a fool to actually make this hope. So what actually happens in the market, guys, the new traders, what they do actually, if the loss is showing around 15, and they actually do is what they do here is they actually wait for the market to reverse. And after they wait for after they get 1500 loss, they wait, and again market gets in against them, and this 1500 loss converts to 3000, 4000, or somewhere around even 5 to 6,000 losses. So this is how big losses are made in the stock market. We make big losses in the only when we are hoping from the market that it will reverse in our direction. So this is what exactly we don't have to do in the stock market. We always have to be strict about our stop losses, and never ever try to hope that the market will ultimately reverse and give them the profits. So if you see here, I try to take trade against the trend, and you can clearly see the market has slashed me down with the negative trades back to back in 2 trades. So I accepted my mistake and I exited from the market, and this was it for the today's video. But I hope you have learned something new from this video, and if you have learned something from this, please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our new channel, so that I stay motivated to make you helpful videos like this, so that you can also be a profitable trader in future. So if you want to be a profitable trader, you will have to make your own strict rules for your trading, and you should have your own trading setup. And I am here only to guide you how you can actually make your own setup, and how you can also trade around it. So this is it for today's video, guys, and I hope you like this video, so I see you next time.